Hey folks, welcome to week number 6. So this week, watch the week 6 video. Not a huge surprise there. Look over the sample essay 2, that's right here. Okay. Watch summarizing and paraphrasing, that's the video, and watch your MLA citation video. So basically here, what we've got going on here is summarizing, paraphrasing. This is just a reminder about how to paraphrase in a source for your text. Two links here on MLA Works Cited page and in-text citations. Both those are from Purdue's Online Writing Lab. They've got some really, really great resources. And then take a look over the sample essay 2. I suggested a couple weeks ago you guys take a look at this. This is really important. My experience with this class is that students, particularly with Essay 2, who look at this, understand it and tend to do well, and those who don't really do struggle. So please take a very close read over the sample essay 2. You'll get a very clear idea sort of what I'm hoping for with your own essays. And then finally, you're going to submit your draft. Next week, we are going to do peer review. So as soon as your draft gets in, you can go take a look at next week's stuff. Next week will be a combination of doing peer review, editing and revising your essay, and some initial readings for our next essay, okay? So if you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.